Oh, we're gonna crack a pack. So what we got here is the new Doctor Who set. Oh yeah, I'm filming. Look at that. Alright, so we're gonna see what we got in this collector pack. I would tell you a little bit more about the Doctor Who, but I know nothing about it. I don't care. I like magic though. And I want to see what kind of cards are in here. If there's anything I don't like, I could pay for this pack. Probably sell it. I don't know. Depends if I like it or not. But let me pause this so I can open this thing. Alright, we're back. Okay, so I got the cards here. We're going to see what we got. And I think that the good stuff's in the back. So we're going to start with the front. So, oh, we got a shiny borderless. It's called Cyberman. Can you guys see that? Oh, you know what? That's that fancy ass foil. Holy shit, we did it! That's probably a good card. We gonna check later. Oh, shit! Oh. Why were they upside down? Oh, that was probably the good card. I don't know. But anyway, a foil swamp? Oh. Don't give a crap about that. I actually like the vintage ones. And the full art ones. Shiny's alright, but we got the 9th Doctor, whoever that is. And he's a foil, and his name is Time Lord Doctor. And he's a legendary creature. I'll read about this later. I don't want to waste your guys' time about what these things do, because you'll figure it out. You probably already know what it is. I don't. I'm just making the video. Okay? Maybe I want a little bit of attention. A land? What land is this? Lavaclaw Reaches. You know what? The sound of that name is so goddamn cool. I'm probably just going to keep this motherfucker right here. Oh, another land. It's called Vineglimmer Snarl. See? Can you guys see that? Alright, we've got Clockspinning. Does anybody care about that? I don't know. Creature, Cleric, Sisterhood of Karn. I mean, really? Does she really gotta look like that? She's a little old. She's a little old, but guess I'm getting old too. Oh, Mead the Immortal. I've seen this online and pretty sure I'll probably like it. Maybe make a commander out of it. I don't remember what it does, but I remember it being okay. And it's a borderless. Another borderless. Fractured Identity. Fractured Identity. It's a sorcery. I'm not going to read about it. You can read it there. Pause it. Yep. Okay, you got it. A legendary artifact creature. I like artifacts and enchantments because they kind of stick around for a while. Ashad the Lone Cyberman. If you know anything about that, I got it. Yep. It's a borderless. That's right. Doesn't have that fancy stuff, but... Oh, Darkwater Catacombs. This is cool. I can read this. Tap to add water. Island. I know it's island, okay? Tap to add island or swamp. And but you got to pay 1 though, too. But it's a cool card. Next, we've got Wilfred. Okay, we got... Hey, is that fancy ass shit? Hell yeah! I think it is. Oh, and it's a borderless. Yup. Temple of the Triumph. It is a land, isn't it? Damn! Damn, look at that foil. Oh, shit! Temple of the Triumph. Enters the battlefield tapped. And when Temple of Triumph enters the battlefield, you get to scry 1. That would go good with my blinking deck. Maybe not. You guys didn't hear me say that. Sometimes I don't know what I'm saying, so please forgive me. I got other things to do than magic, alright? Okay, so Celestial Colonnade. What the holy shit? This better. Oh, damn, that's a cool card. Oh, I'm going to keep that. That is cool. Says you can tap it to add a plains or an island and then some other stuff. But it comes to the battlefield tap. What else we got? The Ninth Doctor. Legendary creature, the Lord Doctor. I think I pulled another Ninth Doctor. Hold on, I gotta look. Didn't I already pull one of these? Yeah, I got 2 of the Ninth Doctors. Damn. 2 different ones. And an artifact creature named Dalek. That thing there, that thing. He has Myriad and Menace, 3/3. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, we cracked it. Going on to the next one. Like, do you guys care about the vampires and this, or they were $5? I'll crack them alone.